और इसलिए कोई भी वैक्सीन ले, डॉक्टर के सलाह से दूसरा डोज ले और अपना नाम रजिस्टर करके पहले वैक्सीन ले ले, और 45 से ऊपर कोई भी हो उसको अब ये वैक्सीन मिलेगा। So today cabinet discussed one important issue of more vaccinations, as we have already achieved speedy and good vaccination campaign. Till today we have provided vaccinations to the tune of 4 crore 85 lakh. Vaccines have been administered. In last 24 hours, more than 32 lakh vaccines were administered. As you know, all the health and frontline workers and people above 60 were allowed to, in batches, in phases, to take vaccines, and even it was allowed that anybody above 45 age with comorbidities will also get vaccine. But now today, after discussion and the advice from the task force and scientists, this is decided that from 1st April, the vaccine will open for everybody above 45 years of age. So we request that all eligible people should immediately register from 1st April and get vaccinated, because that is basically the shield against the disease. In a second decision also, the advice given by the scientists and world scientist bodies also, that the second dose can be administered between 4th and 8th week, particularly for Covishield. And let me tell you, so our appeal is that all above 45 should take vaccine as early as possible. That will provide them the shield against the corona disease, and they should register for getting it vaccinated. And also let me clarify that vaccines are available in enough number. There is no scarcity, and supply chains and supply line is intact. And so all should, and I am very sure कि इस निर्णय का सभी लोग स्वागत करेंगे और उत्साह से वैक्सीनेशन के लिए आगे आएंगे। मुझे इतना ही कहना है।